Hello everyone, my name is Kajal and I am FTNM student of Georgian College. Here I am going to talk about overall experience of field placement as a dietary aide in LTC. I did my placement in Roberta Place Long Term Care and its location is 543 SR Road, Berry. The total time duration for this placement was 240 hours. Here is the process which I go through to get placement at the Roberta Place Long Term Care. Initially, I sent mails to many places include Victoria Village, Mill Creek, Roberta Place Long Term Care, Collingwood Hospital, but did not get any response from them. Then I called at different places which also didn't work for me, but after some days I got mail of acceptance from the Roberta Place. Food service manager of Roberta Place scheduled an online interview with me, and after that she sent me a link to complete search online training which was of 40 hours. After completion of online training, she asked me to visit the place for orientation, and after the day of orientation she asked me to start my placement from the very next day, and I started it. These are the requirements which I fulfilled to get placement or to start my placement, which includes police verification to check our background area, vaccination certificate that I am fully immunized with coronavirus vaccine, COVID vaccine, and furthermore I have to give study and work permit, and I had to complete search online training as well. Next is the goals of placement. These are the goals of placement which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time management or time oriented. The first goal is to planning menus according to the preferences and requirements of the residents. Like some residents are diabetics, allergic to some food items, so we have to prepare menu according to their body requirements. And my manager taught me that how she print these menus for dietary aid and PSW so that they can give food according to it to the residents. She also told me that they print recipe of these menus for kitchen staff so that they can prepare food accordingly. In addition to its second goal of my placement is to be the measurable. Managing inventory is an important aspect of long-term cares. Keeping or placing of food and supplies at their particular place is most important so that can we get supplies when we need without any hurdle. And in addition to it, I also learned how to order online groceries according to the requirements of LTCs. In Roberta Place Long-Term Care, we usually ordered grocery from Cisco. Cisco is the supplier is the grocery supplier in a Roberta Place Long-Term Care. Next is to be achievable. In these, we learned about the work culture, how to work cooperatively with colleagues and building connections with them. My colleagues and manager was very helpful and cooperative with me. In my placement, there were many situations in which my co-workers helped me to sort out the problems when I got problems during my work. I also learned how to deal with problems with patients, etc. Furthermore, I also learned how to do work with ethics to maintain the environment of the workplace. Next one is the relevant. To be relevant is the most important aspect at every workplace. Like as a dietary aid, we have to wear gloves before touching food which is going to be served to residents to maintain their health so that the food did not get contaminated and the residents consume safe food. In addition to it, we maintain food and safety standards, wearing face mask all the time, etc. And in Roberta Place Long Term Care, I learned about how to use the software named Point Click Care, which is used to record the every details of the residents like their eating habits, nutritional needs, height, weight, body mass index, etc., their health conditions, etc. We get to know about the whole information of resident through one click only. This is a very important and useful software, especially in the long term cares. Initially, it seemed difficult for me to use this software, but after some times, it becomes easy to use me. It becomes easy to use for me. Next one is time oriented. Most important aspect of every workplace is time oriented. As a dietary aid, it is important part of our job to give fresh food to resident on time so that resident can consume safe food. And in addition to it, we have to prepare snack cards, nourishment cards on time so that to not to let the resident wait to get their snacks and medication on time. Time is very important at every workplace. Through this placement, I learned to do my work on time, and I also learned how to manage time between break, like to do the task or the remaining task during our breaks. Next one is success. Through this placement, I gained practical experience of classroom knowledge like food handling techniques, HACCP principles, how to assure the quality of food, etc. These placement also helped me to improve my communication skills. Like in starting, I was not able to understand the residents properly because of the difference in their language accent, but now I am able to understand them properly. Through this placement, I got a chance to talk with different types of people, which increased my communication skills also. Next is highlights. One time, my manager took to me a meeting where dietitian, family member of resident, and food service manager discuss about the improvements of the residents, like if they need any change in menus of the resident, they implement changes, they discuss about their health status and etc. And I think which was a very good part of my placement, that she took me to me a meeting. That was a very useful experience for me. Here are the responsibilities or the jobs done by dietary aid. Like we have to set the tables, place the cutlery on tables according to the texture of the food of residents. We will prepare snack carts on time so that they get their snacks and medication on time. Taking food cart to servery area to serve the food to the residents. We note down the temperatures of the food. We do the dishwashings. We clean the tables so that the table and we sanitize the table completely. According to me, the opportunity I missed was the gaining experience as a cook. Actually, I wanted to gain the cooking experience, but I did not get any opportunity to develop any cooking experience through this my placement, and I want to gain it through my next placement for sure. This placement helped me to improve my patience because sometimes residents became hyper and yell at us, but we have to deal with them with politeness and patience. This placement also taught me how to focus on task to complete it on time. Through this placement, I got problem solving ability in me. I become an active listener. Actually, I want to gain knowledge of work of dietitian, but I did not get any opportunity to do this in my placement. But I want to do it in my next placement, and I will try my best to secure next placement as soon as possible. And the next one is I want to select relevant course for my career in food and nutrition management. Here are the recommendations for the students who want to do or who are going to do placements. Firstly, they should prepare attractive resume and cover letter. They have to increase or improve their communication skills so that they can communicate properly with the residents or the manager or the people here. And the next one is the students should have positive attitude and politeness in their behavior so that they can deal with problems. And my overall experience of my placement was very good. My manager was very cooperative and helpful. She taught me every single thing she can, and I think this was the good experience I got from my placement. Thank you and have a nice day.